Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. We are going to make an egg holder, an egg tray today. So the eggs will sit in here, so it's great for 6 eggs. Pour the resin in from the bottom. What I'm thinking in my head, I know it's not going to turn out like this, nothing ever does, but I'm going to try for like a strawberry swirl ice cream. That's what I've got in my head. So I'm thinking I'm going to use resin inks. I've got a deep pink and a deep white. I'm just going to mix up some resin, add these in, and then sort of swirl my colours together. That's what I'm thinking. I haven't really thought about the pouring too much. There's hardly any pink left at all, so I do only want a drop though. I don't want that to be very, very bright. So I'm going to go ahead. My resin is underneath my camera tripod, which is there. I'm using the Decor ROM with the pump tops. I think 4 parts of A, 4 parts of B in each cup should be good. Will it? Okay. I'm not actually sure if that's going to be enough resin. I think this is only going to be the deepest parts. Right, I'm going to go with that. If it's not, I'm just going to do a plain white bottom on it or something like that. We'll just go for it and see what happens. So, pop a stick in each, give them a quick mix to mix parts A and part B together. The thing about using alcohol inks in resin that I like is that I find it does get rid of quite a lot of the air bubbles that you have when you mix your resin. Okay, let's move that out of the way for a second. Right, I don't want it to be pinky pink pink pink, so just one drop. All I'm going to put in. I'm going to resist the urge to add more. And that is neon. I was not expecting it to be neon at all. So what I think I'm going to do, five drops of white in there, one in there. I need quite a few more in there, I think. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 drops of white in with the pink. Okay, more of a candy floss type pink now. I'm liking that a lot better. Now this is, obviously you can see the lolly stick through. So this is going to have some transparent qualities to it. It's not just going to be thick colour, which I think will be quite nice. Can't remember how many we put in here, but I'm going to add some more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 more drops of white. Okay, there's our colours. I think they're going to look quite cool together. Okay, so let's put that back in the middle again. If I go in with a bit of white first. Like that, and then I'm just gonna just go for it, be brave. Like that, I can already see now the pink's in, it's moving to the edges. Okay. Alright, just dump that in there. I think what I'm going to do is just mix up a bit more resin and top this to the top. So that was 4 more pumps of A, 4 more pumps of B. It's a 50-50 ratio. I love the pump tops, it makes everything so much easier. What I'm going to do with this is have this alcohol spray here. Just going to spray it in there a couple of times. Give it a mix up. That will help get rid of the bubbles that are in the resin. Now I've done that because I can't torch this because it's got alcohol ink in it. It's going to be more flammable, so that should hopefully help things. Perfect, completely full to the top, which is great. I'm excited, we can see all the pink around the outside, but I wonder how the alcohol inks are going to interact with each other, if they are at all even. They might not, they might just stay as they are, which is of course fine. Yeah, well, I'll see you when it's set and we'll demould and find out what we've made. Guys, I made a boo-boo. I just demoulded it and the camera wasn't on. So I'm going to have to do all my speaking again. And we'll pretend that we're demoulding it here. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Right, so what I said was, it came out really well. I did rip my glove, but ignore that. It came out of the mould really easily. The mould looks fine, it's really clean. Really happy with this. And then look at her, how pink bubblegum. Oh, it's like pink bubblegum clouds almost. Just very, very cutesy. We have some air bubble action going on. Not bothered, I think that adds to it. I really like the sort of, the subtle wispiness going on and the, where the clear, the white, the pink all interacted with each other. So, I'm going to give it a flip. Look at her! Oh, cute. Really cute. It is like Barbie's egg tray. This is so cool. This is, you know when you make something and you're proud of everything you make, but once in a while you're really proud of something. And this is it. I just love it so much. It's putting a massive smile on my face and bringing me a lot of joy. So, really happy with it. Love it. Really happy with the way that the colours and the resins interacted with each other. And look at the shine. The shiny finish that we've got. I'm thinking, can I somehow do like a line of clear through the middle? I have no idea how I would do that. To think about, I think I could do it layered like this way, obviously. Gonna have to have a think. Let me know in the comments below if you think of any other colour combinations or techniques, methods you think I should try with this. Definitely want to make more. I think everyone I know is going to get sick and tired of being gifted egg trays, but that's what you get for knowing a crafter. Right guys, have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.